Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by changing what you can tonight. Sleep elevated about 30 degrees and move to your side because gravity worsens airway collapse when you lie on your back. Once done, stop alcohol and sedatives for 4 to 6 hours before bed so muscle tone stays higher. Make sure to start modest weight loss. Losing 5 to 10% of body weight reduces pressure on the airway. These are essential prerequisites and the first actionable steps to reduce obstructive events immediately. Now you move into the core treatment, continuous positive airway pressure, or CPAP, because it mechanically splints open your airway. Once you have a prescription, titrate pressure with clinician help and track symptoms. Make sure to use a humidifier to reduce leaks and nasal dryness. If CPAP is intolerable, try a custom mandibular advancement device to pull the jaw forward and keep the airway open. Also address nasal congestion so devices fit and work. Treat allergies or use saline sprays to improve airflow. To finish, you optimize and monitor. Schedule follow-up sleep testing or review CPAP usage data monthly so adjustments are made promptly. Once done, assess whether conservative measures suffice. If anatomy like large tonsils or severe collapse remains, discuss surgical options with a specialist. Make sure to troubleshoot common problems, address mask leaks, try pressure ramp or different interfaces for intolerance, and evaluate persistent daytime sleepiness for residual apnea or other causes. If problems persist, return to your clinician for targeted changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.